Hi, everybody, and welcome to my new favorite salad dressing. I was scrolling through Epicurious, and it was kind of like Big Bang Theory when they're at the comic book store. Got it, need it. I was like, made it, don't want to make it, made it. This is what I want to make. This is so delicious. So the second time I've made it, and I just have to share it with you. And they call it anything pickled salad dressing, and it is delicious. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but we're cruising. We're on the move. We're heading down to anchor out for the 4th of July. And for dinner tonight, I just wanted to make an easy salad. So I'm making the salad dressing so it can sit for a while and really let those flavors develop. So you can make this salad dressing with anything pickled. Jalapenos, dill pickles, bread and butter, banana peppers, anything that you have pickled, okra, I don't care. You can make the salad dressing. Now, I've got bread and butter, I've got pepperoncinis, and I've got dill. And I think what I'm going to do is you take some of your pickled and some of just your brine. And of course, yes, if you only had dill pickles, you could make this just with dill pickles or whatever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with, for my pickled vegetable, I'm going to go with my dill pickles. And what you want is 5 ounces of your pickled whatever. In this case, of course, it is my dill pickles. So I'm going to measure out 5 ounces. And so this is, again, I said from Epicurious. I did take liberties, change a thing or two, and I think it turned out perfect. Now, I love pickle. I make pickles all the time. At least once a month, twice a month, I'm doing something pickled. And then, of course, that brine that's left, it's perfect for brining chicken or pork chops. And then I have that one recipe for pork chops with pickle juice gravy. That is so good. So put your deviled eggs in here. Use it as a brine. I make barbecue sauces with it. And now we're making salad dressing. Hooray! So excited. So I used all of these dill pickles. I'm not going to get rid of that brine. I'm going to save it for something. And this gave me 4 ounces. So I'm a little bit shy of the 5 ounces, but that's almost a cup. So for your pickled part of your salad dressing, I would say 5 ounces or a cup. And we're going to put that in here. And I'm just going to give this an initial little whirl here. I hope this works. It's my first time videoing while we're on the move. So I don't know if with the engines going, what the sound's going to be like. So hopefully it's going to turn out amazing. So just a couple whirls. So we kind of made like big relish. To that, you're going to add your brine of anything pickled. And I'm going to go with my banana peppers, one of my all-time favorite things. These I probably do pickle once a month. And to this, I'm going to go 3 tablespoons of your brine. Doesn't this just sound amazing already? I already made this once. We ate it right up, so I'm excited to be making it again. And then we're going to go with the juice of half a lemon. And you know that lemon juice is really going to help brighten everything up. And then you want some fresh dill. You want about a 1/4 cup of your fresh dill. Now, I think if you didn't have fresh dill and you were just like, I really need some salad dressing and all I have is dill pickles, you could just use dry dill. And I would say maybe a tablespoon. I would start there and add just to see how much you need it. But we're going to go fresh here, and we're going to go with a 1/4 cup of our dill. And then one of the ways I took liberties is Epicurious called for dried onion flakes, and I kind of thought it would be better with shallot grated. So I'm going to go with 1 whole tablespoon of grated shallot. You could obviously do an onion, You could finely chop green onions in here, or if you wanted to, you could use the dried onion flakes. And to that, 1 tablespoon of shallots. I'm also going to grate a teaspoon of garlic, and let me get that grated. I'll be right back. And now to that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup buttermilk. And I'm going to start with about a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and maybe add a little bit more. But I think 1/2 teaspoon is a good place to start. We're going to do a few twirls from a mixed pepper blend. And then we're going to give that a whirl. And this time, we're going to give this a good whirl. And now to this, we're going to go 1 cup of sour cream. Now, you could obviously do Greek yogurt. You could do your yogurt cheese. I think the yogurt cheese actually would be really good here. I didn't have any. You could do mayonnaise. But I kind of like that tang, I think, that the sour cream is going to offer. And then we're going to give it another good, just a couple twirls, just to get that sour cream mixed up. Now, my thought for this tonight is I'm going to do like that classic iceberg wedge salad with the blue cheese, and I'm going to substitute this dressing for the blue cheese, and I'm thinking bacon, some cucumbers, some tomatoes. So just a great, nice salad for our dinner tonight. Once we get on Anchor, it'll be easy, and I think you really want to let this sit for an hour and kind of just let all those flavors marry and develop, and there you have it. I'm so excited. This is my new favorite dressing. Anything pickled salad dressing. Just anything. I'm going to do one version one day, I think, and I'm just going to go all banana peppers because I think that's going to be so good. Even maybe all beets. It'd be pink, but I think it'd be pretty. So, thank you, Epicurious, for this amazing idea that I stumbled across. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited too. I hope you make it. Please leave me a comment if you make it and let me know what you think, because I think you're going to love it. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I'll do a little clip at the end and let you see our beautiful anchor spot that we picked tonight. We might be able to see some wild horses if we're lucky. I'll see y'all later. Thank you and goodbye. See ya.